Alright, we're here with Kingston College striker, Dujuan. Disappointing performance here. Speak to us about the game.
Well, we came in the game, we didn't prepare as we should. We didn't want the win as we regularly want the win as we played judges. So I guess that's the problem.
Alright, so a nil draw, it's not the end of the world. You guys did not lose, you didn't concede, but what points of your game do you think you could have improved in today?
My shooting, moving. As I said, we didn't prepare. We think it was an easy game.
That's fine. It happens sometimes. It's in human nature. What will you change going forward? Stadium is return leg.
Regular, we don't train after the game. We're training tomorrow. So we do that on the training ground.
Alright, and your performance today, Dujuan, though you got so many chances, you just couldn't get the ball at the part of your foot that you wanted to get it. What was going on with your individual performance today?
Well, it was just a bad day for me and the team, everybody.
Alright, there was one moment in the game where the ball came over and we saw you attempted a very acrobatic volley. A bicycle kick. Speak to us about what was going through your mind, when taking that bicycle kick.
My father told me that anything you do in the training, you're going to do it in the games. So, practicing that for a long time.
And how did it feel when it hit the bar and out?
But,
and lastly, I want to ask you about their goalkeeper. He played a good game. He said he prepared for you. He said he wasn't expecting to stop all your shots. He just tried to stop the ones that he stopped. But speak to us about his game.
Well, his performance was like 90. I would give him a 90. He's a good goalkeeper. So I will see him on Saturday.
Alright, people, you heard it from Whisper here. Good game again, Baller. Better luck next time.